We have got a CO2 monitoring device, and this is also used for transmitting the CO2 data. This is from ACE Instruments, and the best part of this CO2 detector or the transmitter is that it can take the value up to 40,000 ppm, which is uh, very good at its class, and it has a great sensor capability. This being a photoacoustic sensor, the principle, this is better than the NDIR sensor which we were previously using in our devices. We are using this PAS sensors because of its accuracy, because of its range, and it has a better durability also in the industrial areas. Apart from this, we have got all the basic or the industrial functionalities like the RS485 communication, which you might need to connect to your BMS or your SCADA system. This has also got an analog output 4 to 20 or 0 to 10 volts selectable. There's a jumper at the back which you can toggle to select the output of this. On the top you can see the LCD sensor which can display up to 40,000 ppm also. One thing I would like to tell that since I have just put this on, it might require some time to warm up the system and give you the accurate values, and that's the reason it is stagnant as of now. For the sensor readings, we have some vents over here. These are very sensitive, so even if it is the slightest of the carbon dioxide changes, it records and transmits. Also, it has got a relay option wherein you can control your fan, motor, exhaust or anything, or do an cutoff with this relay NONC. This has also got a non-display option, which means that if you just need a transmission, you can use the non-display CO2 option. Apart from this wall mounting, we also got the duct mounting CO2 transmitter available, because at the duct also we require to understand in the HVAC system how much CO2 is present. Now this CO2 detectors can be used in many applications, including the HVAC system, including the warehouses, so cold chains, and especially when I talk about high CO2 values, it can be used in fruit ripening or potato storage or the warehouse and similar applications.